In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access and utilize the Zoho Books API. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to harness the power of Zoho Books' robust API capabilities to enhance your applications or workflows. Let's start by logging in to the Zoho Books platform using the Google Chrome browser, a reliable and compatible option. Enter your credentials carefully to access your account securely. Once logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard and locate the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to navigate your way to the Developer space. This is your gateway to all developer-related tools and resources you'll need as you work with Zoho Books. Under Developer space, select API, which will bring you to a page dedicated to API configurations and resources. Now, generating your API key is an essential step, as this will serve as your unique identifier to access Zoho Books services programmatically. Follow the prompts on the screen to generate your key, ensuring you store it in a secure location. This key is sensitive and should be kept confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your Zoho Books account. Once you have your API key safely stored, take some time to review the API documentation provided by Zoho. This resource is invaluable as it outlines all the available endpoints and their corresponding functions. This understanding is crucial because the documentation serves as a guide for how you can use API calls to create invoices, fetch data, update records, and perform many other powerful operations directly from your custom applications or scripts. With your API key and newfound knowledge of Zoho's API capabilities, you're ready to integrate this functionality into your application. Incorporate the API key where required, allowing your application to authenticate with Zoho Books seamlessly. You might use it to automate tasks, synchronize data, or generate real-time reports, enhancing productivity and accuracy. Before deploying your application or script into a live environment, it's best practice to test your API calls to ensure everything functions as expected. Tools like Postman can be incredibly beneficial here, offering a simple, intuitive interface to test and troubleshoot API requests and responses. If you're more comfortable, use your preferred development environment to run a series of tests. Through this process, you can verify the accuracy of the API interactions and make adjustments as necessary. By following this structured approach, you'll be able to leverage the Zoho Books API to its fullest, integrating and automating processes that save time and drive efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Zoho Books API.